Solar makes a lot of sense to me in the Southwest. We do live in the Sun City, and it's a sustainable source of energy. So what we are doing right now is using fossil fuels, so we are basically borrowing energy from the past that has accumulated over millions of years.
I just think there's so much positive that we could be doing here on the border that could be a model for cities and townships all across this country. And so I've become a believer just from having it myself.
Well, I mean, one of the things that we had been looking at, and I think, again, I've been strongly influenced by Wiebke in the sense that trying to figure out, how can we minimize our carbon footprint? How can we not be so wasteful as individuals and give back to our community?
Certainly, I think as a family, we've talked much more about having a smaller footprint on the planet, being more energy conscious. And so the notion that we could produce most of the energy we use was so attractive, along with the rebates and the ease of the installation, that it really was a no-brainer for us. It was fantastic. It was so smooth and easy. Everything was outside. Nobody had to come into the house. All of the wiring was minimal. The trade out of the meters and the new meters that were put in are all right there where all the utility services already.
The neighbors on both our sides think it's great. They've asked us questions in regards to solar, the benefits of solar, how we got it, who we got it from, and in the sense of Solar Smart Living went ahead and installed these solar panels. My daughter's friends think it's way cool, so I guess we're influencing the younger generation and educating them in regards to what solar is about and why we did it.
I think the solar has certainly contributed to an overall consciousness about how we use energy. I see the kids turning off their bedroom lights now without me yelling at them. So there's just, the whole family has a greater awareness and appreciation for where our energy comes from, and that we need to conserve it.
We have to think more globally. I mean, we will have to change our way of thinking sooner rather than later. And in the end, it really benefits everybody to have a source of energy that doesn't pollute the planet we are living on.
That's the bottom line for me is the technology is getting inexpensive enough, particularly with the rebate programs, that it's just getting harder and harder and harder, I think, to argue against having solar. In my view, every brand new home ought to have solar panels on the roof.